Hello, David.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Awesome, man. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, take it away.
Mother, mother, there's too many of you crying. Brother, 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 there's far too many of you dying. You know we got to find a way to build some loving here today. Father, fathers, we don't need to escalate. You see, war is not the answer, for only love can conquer hate. You know we got to find a way, to build some loving here today. What's going on? What's going on? Tell me what's going on. Ooh, what's going on? Ooh, everybody thinks we're wrong. Hey. Oh, but who would think to judge us simply because our hair is long? You know we got to find a way, oh yeah, to bring some understanding here today. Picket lines and picket signs don't punish me with brutality. Come on, talk to me, so you can see what's going on, going on.